This 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express 204 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, water heater, stovetop burner, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express 204RD is 3,991 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.